Good morning, everyone. Welcome to day 10 of 25 Days of Essentialism. And if you're on day 10, I congratulate you that you've stuck with this and you're learning from the book and moving forward. So this is chapter 8, and it's on sleep. And this was an interesting chapter. And I think just like the previous one on play, this chapter will especially resonate for you if you're one of those people who are, drive, go, don't sleep. And it may help you pause and go, okay, is that really something to brag about? Is it something that's actually a good thing? And he's making the point in here that it really isn't. And something that struck me is that often, this is with judgment and shame, okay? There's often judgment from people who are those type A's, the drive, don't need sleep. And they're judging those who might be taking a nap, sleeping longer, maybe like from the previous chapter, doing more play. And there's also shame that happens from the people that maybe aren't the type A, and they go, oh, I should be like that, but I need sleep, or I enjoy playing to become more creative. And that whole shame and judgment piece really is not helpful, right? What he's talking about in this chapter is that you need to find the balance for yourself where you get enough sleep, the previous chapter, enough play to really have the energy to do and operate at your highest contribution and to really do less but better. So I'll just read one quote from here. It's at the very end of the chapter, and it says, "Yet as the logic of an essentialist explains, in reality, there are only a few things of exceptional value, with most everything else being of far less importance. The problem with being sleep deprived is that it compromises our ability to tell the difference, and thus our precious ability to prioritize. Sleep will enhance your ability to explore, make connections, and do less but better through your waking hours." And this is what I'm walking away from this chapter. The point is not how hard you work, how many hours you got sleep. It's, are you doing the things that are exceptionally valuable, and are you able to operate and execute those things in a great way? And the point it's making here, that sleep actually creates more ability to tell the difference and have discernment on where you should be spending your time. You have more bandwidth. So anyway, that's what I'm walking away with from this chapter on sleep. I encourage you to get some sleep, and put in the comments below what your favorite quotes are, how you're doing. Until tomorrow, this is Jeff with Pie of Genius.